Today we're here with Marvin in the Dayton's Bluff Historic Preservation District of St. Paul, Minnesota, to tackle a window replacement project at this beautiful two-story Victorian. This charming home, built in 1886, features original double-hung windows, which we're going to replace with the latest offering in Marvin's double-hung portfolio, the ultimate double-hung insert G2. Full-frame replacement projects require the removal of the complete window, including the frame down to the studs. With the ultimate double-hung insert, only the original sash and hardware are replaced. The new window unit fits seamlessly into the original frame, where it's anchored, insulated, and sealed, without the need to disturb the interior or exterior trim. The ultimate double-hung insert is less invasive and usually quicker to install than a full-frame window. As a result, it creates less construction mess and can save the installer time and the homeowner money. The new ultimate double-hung insert is the ideal replacement solution when the original window frame is still structurally sound, like these are here. If you're replacing windows in an older home or building, the insert allows you to preserve as much of the original character and building materials as possible. Even though it looks like it's part of the original window, it offers the same modern convenience and superior performance features as a full-frame ultimate double-hung G2 window. All right, now that I've told you a little more about this great new product from Marvin, we've received our permit from the city and Historic Preservation District. So let's get started with the install. We're going to pick up here after the tear out. Once the old window sash and blind stops have been removed, simply slide the ultimate double-hung insert in place and center within the opening. Tilt the bottom sash to remove the jamb covers, or you can remove both sash altogether. Remove the head jamb first, and then the side stops using the colored tabs. These jamb covers are unique to Marvin and allow the installer to fasten through the jamb, so there are no visible fasteners on the interior, which helps to preserve the beautiful aesthetics of the window. Next, install the factory supplied screws through pre-drilled holes. Marvin supplies the installation screws with T20 Torx heads to prevent the screw heads from stripping. A 2-inch bit extension provides clearance of the sash stiles so that the sash doesn't have to be removed during installation, saving more time for the installer. A new feature of this insert is the jamb adjustment screw. This factory installed screw is located on each jamb above the check rail and allows you to quickly and easily set the reveal of the sash without the use of a jamb jack. Now that the window is secured and centered within the opening, replace the head and side jamb covers. Again, tilting the bottom sash makes it easier to replace these jamb covers. Just look at how clean that is. There are no drill holes, no plugs, and no visible fasteners on the interior. To complete the job, apply sealant and insulation per the installation instructions. Replace the interior stops, and if necessary, add aluminum panning and caulk on the exterior. With its combination of superior design flexibility, modern performance, beautiful aesthetics, and ease of installation, the ultimate double-hung insert G2 is the next great window in Marvin's impressive double-hung portfolio.